Elotes. We spent our summer watching Mommy come and go back and forth from the hospital in a nauseated haze. The season slipped by us, undetected and unmourned. The fact that it's gone doesn't even matter. Every Sunday now, Papi, Annalisa, Victoria, Paco, and I cross the border to meet Abuela Inez at her church. Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe. We enter the chapel quietly. Our eyes adjust to the dimness, tearing up at the strong scent of burning incense. The first thing we do, even before we sit down, is stop by the altar of the Virgen de Guadalupe to light our candles. Poppy gives each of us a dime, which we dropped into the donation slot in the metal collection box. Then we cluster around Abuela Inez, hold hands, and pray for Mommy together. Our only requests are that the chemo treatments ravaging her body do not weaken her spirit, and that she can regain herself when the nightmare is over. After Mass, we push open the heavy wooden doors of the iglesia and step outside. Squinting at the brightness of the late September day, right away we smell the ears of roasted corn. Los elotes calientitos, what Papi calls Mexican gold. Tastes better after offering our hopeful prayers and leaving church without the anxiety we felt before. How much, Papi asks, already unfolding the pressed money tucked away like starched handkerchiefs deep in his pockets. The price is inconsequential. An American dollar gets us 4 ears and change. We would pay much more. Los elotes are delicious, sweating butter and painted with chili powder and lime juice. Annalisa and Victoria are too dainty. They prefer to eat their ears tender, with pearly baby teeth at the ends. But not me. I'm no wilting violet, no Spanish rose. I'm tough, sturdy, and strong. I want mine like Papi's, big and firm. Like Paco, I want to work hard at that first bite, want my teeth to press against my gums as I conquer it. So good and so spicy. Muy rico y picoso.